say?
Who slow here?
Piamate pie.
Wo yire na usuro ni tina wo yesa.
Wo ni na say we kwase ni.
Fupa
na. Wo ya kwase fupa.
Wo. Na ko say wo.
Wo ya pie.
Wo slow here.
Ah pie.
Ah, Chasi Uriye. Papa. Chasi Uriye. Ah. Big Tonya Kopao.
Wo ya ropa.
Gipe. Ma bo mwane aboa. Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Eliaso.
Papa. Asia. Abuo to wa.
Me yonko ne Jack Toronto. Jack.
Oya gwen Jack Toronto.
Hello ben, me yonko no.
Obani pia bontre. Obani pia. Pia bontre.
So, you're welcome to my humble abode. Hello, Mommy.
Hi, Ben.
Mommy, how are you?
I'm fine.
Anyway, Mommy, meet my girlfriend, Chelsea. And Chelsea, that's my beautiful mom.
Hi, Mom.
And that's my little sister, my stubborn sister.
Oh, Alma. Hi.
Sister Craig.
Mommy, I'll be inside.
I'm not the Elisa. Mommy.
You're her girlfriend, I don't know.
My catcher me semi fan metro. So today I brought her. I invited her to come to see you. Martin Caribbean. Anyway, Mommy. Me go inside on because me being comedy so. I say it's okay. Me go inside then. I'll get back to you. So, Mommy, in case you see her, that's my girlfriend, okay? So, when you're Sir Craig. Ah.
Okay.
And Ruffle style, man.
What do you? You have a girlfriend. And I don't.
So, anytime you want to come around, yeah?
Alright,
oh,
baby.
no, okay. Mesa, my main brand, about. Ma, we could jump back. Alright,
bye, Mommy. See you next time.
See you next time. Okay, Mommy, later. I'm happy today you came in.
I'm happy too, sweetheart. I love you, baby. Hey.
Yeah. I said, Messi, but I watch you. Come be a first be a mamma. Atias, I want me, my faso. My bunto, I'm quite we need papa.
We did that with you. Who had you, Mr. Menina can't think a woman.
One in a candy.
Menina can't think a woman that conquer on Fefi Punanko on Chessendi.
Hey, and yet, Yabushum and Yasada. Yabushum. Say, Mamma Jantia, Sam Walina. Yanko Fita. Debbie, there was one body. mo so kwambo da. Obo so na me kra, me fia wo so me ma me wo so. Hey. Oh. Mo so.
Da intina ya me share that share.
To baby ya. Ma fa me kakra. Oh. Akop me se. Enta se be adwuma. Ha, fam no. Aso ma wonto ya wate.
Nke wo mu an ko be hwe me didie mu.
Emra so a, wo be chance so. Wo bie so a, arena gum bia dine nyina ma nsa. Da ba bie so ndi ma nsa wate. Yo, ne kwakwa. Na si boto.
Pacho me de ne bi bro am. Na.
Hey! Sega sangotwa. Me ba. Hey, apulon. Ka be ni ma. Baby yi mo ni ma ko inside ma. Ne be di mutu. Baby ni ma ka. Ma onya ha. Ka ho.
Eguto.
Dabi. Egu na pante na. Egu manu wo dwan. Se egu buto. Ka ho get them. Hey.
Na nde mo du.
Yaren tam ka. Oh, dabi. Mama na maji. Dabi de wodi. Asumi si ma bonto yam. Me poase mo. Ma poase ma wodi me kampo. Wenya botati.
Ebi.
Akabi. Wunya bona hia. Baba bonu ma bonere. E ma bonu nyo adua. Wotimi dia umreda. Bei. Enye dono kotwa. Wunya ebreso na nya mesrew. Enim ba koda. Dimu na miena na miensa. Wodi ni nyina da ko bawu. The half. Neja half. Eche. What the half?
Yeah.
What? Yo. Come here. Come. Come ni dinka. Family kakra. Man peg. Waboka. Aso. Yo, nani kwa. Ayo ya se bibia.
So we dey man say na mbo me hunti.
Oh.
Peka krebi ha na.
Wa mo humbodi. Ena wo wo de mana ma tribile. So what? You mo man. Ma bonto ye. Ache kwa na wochi. Wo de memo bi ja. Ma fuck you what? Na me fa ko what? Ai! Aso kwa na bo.
Aso we dey say wa me bi ase mo.
Oh. No me na ba wo de nya wotre. Ya wotre what? Oh, enche bia nya wotre. They bought out was what? A quite enche. Why? Ma bonto em. Na me no. Yo. Bye.
Bye.
Kwanza na kwa pa konfunti. Bye. Why? Na me no vieso. Yo, me das. Na me share pass what? Na me wo das ndem. Bye. Ah, na me share papa. 20,000. Anya baby 20 million. Hey. Na me share. Mefu, wonye. Bese. Wonye usika, wonye yego chemu. Bese wonye ha. Sikadie.
Hey! Charlie, you killed it all. You nailed it. Did you see my mom's face? She was so frustrated, like. And did you see that, my sister? Hey, what do you ask you? But I don't understand. Why don't you join this Gallyhood thing?
Oh, it's not my thing. I'm not interested.
Because we act in it, Charlie. A1.
Tony. Yo, I am maybe.
Oh yeah, Dion. You actually saved me. Because whatever that my mom is planning with that my sister, yeah, I'm so not happy with it. I hope say what we did today, it will change her mind.
No one who call us sorry.
That's what I'm trying to say. Like the way she believed the whole thing. I was so surprised. You understand? I said, I didn't run him like a kikino to the point. Say on peso bit here.
I know that.
Charlie, this is real shit, real thing, man. So, see, my main question.
And you want to say by now, come to meet you.
Tony, even if you've grown homes and you don't respect me anymore, at least you have to respect the legacy of your late father. Why do you have to bring in your girlfriend?
No, wait.
When Jessica is in the house?
Wait. I mean, you expect me to sacrifice my happiness for your late husband's wish. I mean, do you even think of my happiness?
I really do. Sure. I am alive because of her father. And the father died because of me. Don't you know that?
Mom.
I dare.
Me person me disrespect you. Me person me no be.
You've already disrespected
But
me.
mommy, I am not going to marry Jessica no matter what. Even if you... Listen, I can't. She's my sister. How can't you understand that? You see, this is why sometimes I complain and you get angry. You always say, oh, son, I love you. I care about you. But you don't even care about my happiness. You don't. What Busami said? What Busami did me pay?
Tony. Ankanye papa na. Ni papa. Nka me wo sa hospital bed no so. Enka papa wu ye nka me suka me wu. Enka ne ka wo hifa. Enti when na ya wo so dwene ho.
Mommy, there is other way we can do whatever you want us to do. But not me marrying her. I can't do that. I'm sorry. Hey.
Tony, please do this for me. Once.
Ma, me, I'm sorry. This is the first time I'm turning you down, but I'm not going to do it. Forget about it. I won't.
Then, I'm telling you that your so-called Chelsea will never ever step a foot in my house. This is my house. This is my domain. This house belongs to me. Okay? And I make Maka. You know me. She will not step her foot here in this house. Simple. I've said this, and I mean it. She will never step her foot here. That's my decision.
How do you expect me to marry somebody that I'm not interested in?
This is my house. This is my domain. You cannot regret.
But mommy, you can't tell me what to do. I'm not a kid.
I'm not control it. If you had me, until I die, we need to me. Just a minute. And your person, cotton crabro, for bush human. Let me who say, if you're not fed, so bet me at Nibia. Yes, I'm Adam. In the pie I will never turn my husband and her father's down. Never. I won't do that.
Tony, so now you have a girlfriend and you have to show it to my face.
Oh my God. Jay, what is wrong with me introducing my girlfriend to you and mommy? You guys were thinking I was not having a soulmate. You guys were thinking I was not even having a girlfriend. Now I introduced my girlfriend to you, no, I don't issue. I don't understand what you guys, what do you want from me?
You told us that you don't have a girlfriend. And as you say, we do a baba. Why should I so sad in each room and say, may jealous and assassin?
Me, trust somebody jealous saying. Me get a me about me person jealous for what? What are you talking about? The whole kind of, are you even thinking of it? Why is everybody acting like a zombie? Like, I don't understand. It's like all of you are acting like zombies. I see the moon in the air happening. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but yo, I brought my girlfriend to meet my family, which is you people. What is the beef?
But you should understand my feelings.
What feelings? Jay, what feelings? You have feelings for me? Hey!
Yes.
Why is our mama yet me dada wama? You say we have feelings, mommy. What's your feelings, Ben or no?
No, at first, not many feelings to be I wasn't in love, but then with the girlfriend nearby, you know, the way I felt, you know.
Hey, Mapa.
Something for you.
Women are demons, you know. Meaning I'm harder than now. You never had any feelings for me. The moment I will say me the girl a bad girl, you fine girl now, what falling in love with me? Hey. Anyway, me then a girl, so you guys, you can do whatever you want to do, and I'm not going back on my words. I made my decision, and I want to stay with that girl, and that is it. End of discussion.
Tony, so this is how you want to pay me off?
That word now, what kind of like?
It's okay.
Anything, no.
My who say won't hear me. I say I have to pack out.
Wait, there is no need for you to be emotional. Wait, so in for something also. Ah, what drama mommy for so am I be falling in love with me? Nipa me no die by me no damn pa so. After all of a sudden, mumu me girl, I'll say, change now. You want to be my girlfriend, my wife, my whatever. Yo, you push to leave me alone. No? Ah.
Hey, when I will be and now, Papa.
By the way,
Bashomia Midi.
David, the best you what?
Bashomia. Yeah.
Ah,
yeah,
Bashomia, I'm now.
sir,
that's it. Yeah, my own shoe.
ah, can I put it?
Bashomia now.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. When we saw that,
Bashomia Nkansah, but me kwa bona man yes me ba.
You. I am what to do. Catch it.
Yeah.
I don't pay.
I don't pay the boko.
Can you first say?
Bashomia the name.
Nelly.
Yeah, Nelly.
Nelly and I'm Nelly.
Nelly.
Spell it.
Nelly.
Nelly. Nelly.
Sure.
Trust me.
Bashomia Diana Nelly send a medical account. Now actually no, I'm free Kumuha. Yeah, me wo UK and I'm
we are getting name one tier.
Yeah,
oh, UK.
Yeah, and I'm UK. It's me baby drew ya no say. Be better crown so kakra ne say me dey ba Kumasi. Nti Kumasi dey me hang around. E wani mu area ya na just say.
What area? Apartment mwa.
I say what there.
I see what there.
Ana woni fe.
You got to go fee. But now UK.
Le ni ga. Ana say we change we na whether they die for we chapa ga.
Me to be so high problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Now one day na me na mani mu wan this nice lady. Tinga mo bisa wo gina so.
I am Chelsea.
Then in Chelsea, I think she's called Kayla.
Toba.
Ah.
Is it ya?
Hey,
baby.
Have you? Oh, yes, slim be I say brony baby sir.
The bacho da bi we dey osun wa wo gina.
Ne
toso pa.
Na mo ya. Mo kan ta kwa asuje mo sa.
Say me wan wa kula.
To go be je bitwa mo.
Ah me wan.
What happens to go ni bon? Hey,
I did a winning no.
Fancy.
Okay. Transfer.
Inti me wa den say eni me ba na ma ba be reki le cha kwan inti me hu say o ta wura ha. Na me say ni me track no. Na ma ba na ma be hu na wo fo na say. No ma kana hye bi o ho no. O ma me hu ne aware kwa so ha. Inti enye bo no.
Yo. We are duma bay.
Oh, me pacho actually no. Me a blogger. And I'm start to
blogger. Mona mo twa am fun fascinating for na nyom to for on wa.
Pacho da bi me de ne nyalo.
Ni wa ka mo ni di mo ya sure.
I defend it, Tiana, where
Ah,
Obiara ne di.
ada na ya na mo ntwatwa ntam mfa mo nini wunia no mo mabusuafo anwa sinefo etwa mo tini ne nyomfo no mo didi wo mo hu mo so nso amu mo mo
We won't say Obiara ne field. Obiara say no see di ne dwuma but when it comes to blogging yeah.
wo de
a batch. Bragging, I say, Jim,
But blogging no. Say be information be ekoso. E wo media no so bibi e trendy bi ana ye ne ye de ba bonten de betuja. Yeah.
Mufana madam.
na ma ya
Ye ndane no.
We become Senabia.
Ne nyankofo so. But your sanity.
eza wo sole ya wo fa wo fu ana ya blogger
Na me blogging.
ah
No, can be so. I said about Senabia.
Exactly.
buzanzo ya duma bu
Bosumi, what do you say?
Oh, waja. Skadi bi wo me ho se na me dikaka na bosome omo ankasa ne tua me kan timi be $100
A month.
wow any kablenzo ta blogger
Yeah, me no kasa nko achi. Chesi a otu yi. Ye bibi kaka na de. Ye bibi.
No ka de only problem. Ti na me kasa me bae, me boa me ho ankasa ansana me ba. Eja no de only problem kra. Boa me ho.
Anyway. Anyway, you know.
Ba Josika.
Yeah. Over with.
I see this
Oh.
ah no ye ya me ka sa pounds bi kwa
What the boy? What the boy?
e do what
Genti am pacho 89 pounds. O se ma baga. O nti ma sesa me sika ni na.
Aba series.
Yeah, sabit.
mama le fie
You ka de ho nya se me sa che. O de mo ndi na.
ah ya la
Hwemu ha.
Pacho de boy chire. E mo duba.
Musika ko to sa no manu.
aha ato ha na we 20 anya
David.
Tanka
3,000. What's my idea?
I idea
Ya bele. Bema.
sole na kwa
Be get ne bi.
wunyini na
Pacho say.
usika nyini awaba
Usha wunya na obati.
Oh. Opening.
Pie
da wa hu machine na wo so panana
Mamupa.
na hu sika fu na ade abe
me number.
je na je bona
I'm pacho me number for
E ba fo bo.
telephone
pacho.
Mo.
ana ase ya
Dem.
phone send
Pacho name.
ase ya phone name
Ya ba fo ntino. Ya mfre wa ensi fie bi mo da.
Any mistake
Mu yo ko pe wa ba. What?
Opening.
the number is 003 at phone
Na say what is you?
wait what is the girl
3,000.
Na 3,000.
Wa.
ah ni abatna ha kasa sa no yanye
Mo fe kila mama.
Wo do se allowance?
Bacho I mean it.
Bisa me ti bi 3,000.
Hey,
3,000.
hey.
Na 3,000 na ba ka wa se. Wo de ba fo? Why?
ya gurawa
Ya ba fo wa.
ya ntu
Sorry.
Penny scare am dem onye skaketwa o.
Mini 3,000.
My magic cross and come deliver back home.
Enso
eh
ba.
ya se ko boa de ba ka ya fra wa na wata
Na atam de ba. Wow.
Enye mekwa ko boa me na me papa mo nyina aba.
Mo.
Ne say ya boa boa
Ai
yi.
ba ke kwa ansa wate.
Me san twa mo kwanza.
Ya ba fo na fo ba da wa.
Oh, Penny. O de mama hweke ile nim keke.
David. Obani ka ti pie pie ba.
sorry but me mesra
Pie.
Mo
ya
na
brand
ko
here tie red
ma. Ese ka me hwene ni.
Oni.
Oh, picture na se me mo a.
Na picture ya mi a.
Me nya na bacho nya wo.
Se again na.
E wono a
No man.
wono a.
Wa we, sorry bi.
sorry but na
Sorry.
ya kwa ya de wa de
Penny.
Eh.
O de nka wo frɛ ne mama na me.
sorry bla ya ba flow eh what say me try papa
Ya be fro.
Penny.
Ya to ko to mi.
coffee wa
Come, abra money.
wa shro pa shro ko
O bo to tag o join.
what down
Sika ke tik sa. Anu manu.
ase bi ana mu di be di
Ah. Jesi ya umba.
chemu na me mu de me ya
Me ina kana baka. De treino fa pension.
ase
De treino.
ato daisa e ma me bu fu me sla wa
Pie.
chem papa na fa de la kana bla de
Sisi ya na ba. Hey.
fabrika hu na fa bla de
Jesi yenche mutu. 15. Maya wukumi.
Baby girl. Now then I bet na baby I having fun. Now why so moody? What is wrong with you? Then I bother. Why?
Joyce. I did turn in me you feel no. Or giving me attitude. So let me say my bed don't on so. But or giving me attitude like of a girlfriend before and so asaba. Me who you know me shame Charlie, I was so jealous.
You see how I was convincing you the other time, say, from who she should turn in, not like one and na. Girl, because baby, I sure when I went to me, you didn't even listen to my advice. Can you say no? What I say, why you moody?
Yes, you still don't get it. And you say, "Be na me pen and I say, be me person in any days you." The issue is like me father and any father. And a year agreement in the say, me and we were young until you young worry. But you know, be any baby and I didn't want a baby or person or having a future. And you know, I didn't want that. But Charlie, as men know fear na ye grown it dear, I started developed some feelings for him. And then they say, "Oh no, for about for the birthday," and I don't know what he wants to say. Like, I don't get it. I'm just confused.
Nina, do you know it's your fault? One our courses are doing because what's see me and can you send it? You are still here. Na me na make up. Girl, so what are you going to do about it? Because I don't want to see you moody because of Tony. Tina she said me catch her now catch myself. You people are brothers and sisters, but now me person only Tony and one woman. For real.
Yeah, so me when is why I'm a brother. Because I was a sister to him.
So ready.
I'm just confused. Me who they mean here?
Look, me the meeting I catch you say be okay. You will still get Tony. Okay? Ubenya Tony. I know what I'm talking about, and I won't trust him again. You will get him.
Because me father, no father, no agreement no more agreeing.
Forget about that. You will still get Tony. So Anwana, your person won't worry no, right? Anwana will be worrying no.
Love him.
You love him, I know. So tell you, when you na draw, love. I know. You'll get Tony, okay? Don't worry, don't you make silent, man.
Sis, not send it as a America. Or yeah, no some kind of way be sure me a good woman she and I'm say, you really
don't know why it's on. I just open. Tony, no finances.
I don't know. And now, Tony knows so I can't share me say, a Nina or no fan is sending me, but still, girl, no, not air force in the
Nina. So say,
like a mini bowl.
Oh,
yes.
And I say, in your Nkansah, and Zabia, not dream on the end is Zabia. Tony Penana.
So, open a media, myself, me penno. I'm just helping him. And that's it.
Then Tizia, no, what do you think? Like, so, what would you say?
Me, baby, maybe a sergeant that I did up the. They may be out of my GF, that's all. Because you know,
media. Ma when in the house, unim go, unim plan, until don't lose track of Iraba. What did they make a show? No, as I go on the Chanibo, and ask them to China. Yeah. I got a nice momo. I don't.
Sister, nice, no be the other. You know what me found another.
Aha, na mete. In Crani Bessie, in Tabie. Aha, na mete. Unim na be catch me say, and I says, I've.
Me for you come Thursday da.
Where she?
Thursday na no for.
About the time.
Oh, me who is that?
how say maybe me know it na say it mbaka simple breach opa nyina maka jo say time na wo kono Ghana na hu yen enya ni na Ghana things have changed so you need to change yourself if you want to change your life then change yourself you can when natural want very glasses is show paper nyina tata lo why and what if you are and me the fabric na buy you me tea abroche kata and free why be there with the fabric na ba Jack idea why no na mo na otu ye no we 50-50 password oh there no say odin sa kwa himfia odi bimo odi fo ensa ma bi e ho nya himfie na this kind of the command papa no what the command on willingly say the man say onye o se wa mo busia na wan say fisika de man one na de man because of say o person ko fie onti o mo me besia sa onye hwe de bia me ko ha me maniska nkakra ka say de be o beka bia mame o se ayeye na mo wo mame na empene nti me pay 50,000 oh 50,000 Ghana cedis emano krata no amede ko ma no sa 500 mitra enu tell the ko say ne no ano ba me kan cho ja me de metima ka che wa ni say onya dia ko bi o se nya dia just enkosi hwe ebesi bibi enkosi hwe twa so enti wo hwe a che say die enti na enkosi bibi chem die enti enkosi so one of this kind of command what busai o ka chem say sa 500 na me de man no de o de man yire na na yire no atiase se de be ya akora no o de ne be mame enti se me de ade na ba na se wo mfa ne mame dia o yire de wate ase de di no adam misika na me de mame ko Jack mame ka se mba ko so ati die bia mu wa dance agreement be na ne ko documented and as o can work again enti wo court na se ye busa agreement be na ye ya agreement inti yemfa enye viable agreement na me ne ye no enimu everybody enimu me na me catch up enimu a ye nananom eniema tete no omo ye me woni me dada sam de enche na me ye ho adwuma me ye nananom ne ama a chere no amonu ahu say yes don't go there when some ba ho be kan say so me ya sure na me kan ma me nan kan papa we no nan say me dunyankopon say sika dem mo mfa won say papa me di wachi am ya chima kotum me di wachi am ya chima kotum but ya chima to me dunyankopon say stone na no me di sika enti ba ho be ka che say me papa nya kasa kire a wo bufu ye no so from the aba so from the aba me innocent am timba me yeti police aba charge me bia ka ho because of them kway engine but stone ya chima kwa me dunyankopon say stone na no me di sika be ka che be sika no sai twaso ni jaika me o tell so me da bia me kam si police ni a obachi me na woni nyanza fa police for no nyanza pa bi ni wo mutiri wait for no obachi me no nyanza wo mutiri mo a me matam sika 50,000 Ghana adi ama obi o so de ni be mam no ne yire kata o wie ya no ye mata baba pa so da ya de ma enti we pa we ye pa enti se we papa o bat nyanza se me na ye o ya dem papa no bata de boy nyansa bia ni mu aye enti wa wo ya da agreement bia ni ho a wo di terms kama nyame ni na de se agreement de me ne o gina hai ye kasa na wo yiri dia dance se wo gi ska na ma wa kasa be na che se mo sensan anya niam nyina ni ya do cha cha ya do cha do bia de hia krata o bia cha broche kwa sa na me ke wo ho abroche ka agreement is agreement what you try to manu aye we me dia me nkasa on se me ya me nsa ho me nkuta nsuo me nkofie nya me dia papa no me ko ni fie and ho brase kwa so kopa ne chew and no mo kwa se yenye embe if now come out necessary sa na mo so mba ya me dia bibia si akire bia ma me ni akire o because we ya maga o so ya maga ho me si me yesunsu mu ni and ye be giska so ye be giska no wo ye be giska no kesa me ka ho mama da achi me do nyam so be fa 500 million sika ka anya we sense no de yakoto ye na mimi slow Ghana mpemfa ya banyi obi a odi president bia no wako sales da na sales gidigidi we e ba me dai sales da the 3 days the 1 day the say e kan dey anu na hia me ana debi mi pie ya no me boga na so ati you know afa no me space no who say new e ba giska no a chew she pasi asema akwa ya
Jack!
Madam, we need Papa. One more kind. I can't wait.
Jack!
Oh, the heat.
Jack! Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the Jerusalem. Oh, super. Jack. Yeshua Baba. A friend say, we are saying, you build an empire. No, I build an empire. You have your own house, you have a car, everything. And there are 4 cardinal points by the boy, bro. Honesty, respect, truth, and love. Yes, in the series, the future of the morning, and say, my old habit in the uncle. You all why you new fresh? Now the here pass is Messieurs overcome who now. Bow. Yakwada papa nasi. Why? Ajak ni na meka sa wi.
Papa bay.
Papa bay na meka nasi. Huh?
Ada asem kokod na jeji yakosre do ata. Papa bay asem na
atufo sa asem na meka no. Ye nkoda nasi.
Mimi nkoda atufo ti ati. Se dia no aya mame. Ana Ghana scan wa sisa abrem yana.
Emse woni mi
obi a waye mazano. Mi sa je dai. Nkoda nasi. Awodi ye ho. Ha?
Mi na mi kopa ne chewo en woti maso. Woni kasa me ne kan ya ansa na woti asa.
Jadi o kan. Se woni mu ho losa. 48 hours. Max. Woni anwodi bi abio. Ene say ye day and then keep it pay dada. Me say we intina.
Yes, I'm no kasa so ra ko ja.
See about it so.
Well, unko out there me ko se me na me pena me ko pa me chewo. Jack.
Jessica, where are you going with this bag? Eh?
Mommy, I just want to leave.
Leave to where? For where?
Mommy, he doesn't want me. I have to go.
When persuasion fails, force must be applied. As long as I live, things is going to change.
Mama, you know so I want to be forced on this change now. Don't worry me. Abra won't pay me.
Okay, you're fine no crown twinching. You're fine worry no twinching. Say you na woko. Where exactly are you going?
I'm just going to my aunt's place.
Oh, auntie no. Me share dan kemu asempa ankyere. Me share dan kemu secret pa enfankyere. Wo free ayi na woko. Say wonu kra okwa omafi. Aka me nko. Do you want me to stay here and die here with no one?
Honey, please. I'm not happy.
Don't leave me. I'm going to
not leaving you.
Now what Bobby fear about bedin semuru ya
me ba be din semuru but I say what
Marcus
ha me say Carmen san kan me donya me o hata soro ye be ye mo no na no wada ma me ye o na na kwa we
Mia, me dasi.
Musu me dasi na me chiro.
Na me bisa o yere.
Nanka.
Uri yere. Dina uye. Where am I? What the ball? Hey! Hey! Whatever. Kaka club no want to club from some.
I told you.
What do you get from some? So club from some. This is manage me. Oh, feel well now. You manage my soul. May you trust anyway, what you see me?
Take it, issue. The master issue be a bit more. Baby, young come to the mess. Tioga fana sumara na pere wapi ni kuna plani. Pamoja ya drink kasi ya juma shisha no mushi.
So mu yi na nini de okra ni asho. O mu yi de broni ni asho.
Pamu bedi de omu papa mo fe pasta no mo tete. Issue be a bit more. Baby, young come to the mess. Tioga fana sumara na kokura bi ni ra plani.
Chelsea, Kayla, and the useless family. They are scammers.
You're my wife.
Minimum way.
Yabeti amasetu yenu mebiti yabeti edu antisisi ni papa
sisi na pa when you
me
ato
40
my day
sika mu aye no ma
sisi bo me tin
akamema wo me pano afa usika kitikiti bi me fano akamema wele swalo ma mfa usimpu e bi me wa akamema wo me pano afa usika kitikiti bi me fano Nakamema wale swano, ema mfauzi mkue bime wansaka. Yesterday o Jack Toronto, na niye ukra kono ewe.
Oh, you're from Jack Toronto?
We are Canadian burger.
Yes.
Chelsea, didn't mommy, why me klanja? Come here.
Et tu l'as dit papa skadino.
They look for innocent people, then they will scam you.
What the mommy? And now family.
I
know how to deal with people like that.
Kaka club no want to club from some.
I told
you. Yo beti e bi e mo tinko pos. Beshi share you mama odako. Yesterday o Jack Toronto na de ukra kono ewetu. Yo beti e bi e mo tinko pos. Beshi share you mama odako. Kita the master my senya beti e ko de pepom my obekwa my besa sign and this is it.
Arrest him.
Arrest you. And never my boy. Na me no duru na me no na wati. Me no bia na be mo emle.
I den.
Ukita the master my senya obeti e obekwa my issue for say they are going to say issue be a bebo. Baby nyanka me chire mesi. Obi amfana sumra na bere wapi ni kuna plani pamoja ya drink kasi ya juma shisha no mu shisha pamoja bedi dio mu papa mu fe pasta no mu tete issue bi abebo baby nyanka me chiri wes obi amfana sumra na kokura bi ni ra plani
awo yo so man
Obo Chelsea no wen
Chelsea no Real Madrid ana ho
pamoja ya drink kasi ya juma shisha no mu shisha Omu bedi di omu papa, omu fe pascal omu timde. Ose ye baba di go go. Ye beti ati amasi edu. Ye nu we binti ye beti edu. Anti sisi ni papa du. Ye baba di go go. Ye beti ati amasi edu. Ye nu we binti ye beti edu. Anti sisi ni papa du. Nakamema umi pano. Nafa usika kiti ni mafano.
I've put some musical sense into it. Celebrate and then celebrate. Always be a mastermind behind everything you do.
Fama mnijajime.
Nakamema wane swano. Mema mfa usimpu ebi mewa. Nakamema umi pano. Nafa usika kiti ni mafano. Nakamema wane swano. Mema mfa usimpu ebi mewa. Tikitini.
Can you repeat it?
I should always be a mastermind